Hey y'all, it's taste test time. You may hear Raja. Hi, are you showing your butt to the internet? It's a huge compliment when a cat shows their butt to you, internet. So be sure to compliment Raja's butt. Cats are weird. Anyway, Pringles. We've got Pringles today. Fried onion ring. I don't know why they didn't just Pringle up some onion rings, but instead we've got Pringles. Onion ring flavored Pringles. It looks like a Pringle. No different in color. No different in smell. Surprisingly, it tastes just like fried onion ring. Even more than some of those fried onion things you get in a canister. Wow. Even tastes just a little greasy. I like them. I'm surprised. Much better than I expected. You never know what you'll get. Oh, sorry. I'm distracted. Anyway, it's a thumbs up. And if I had any more than I just had, it'd probably give me heartburn. And I'd have to take some antacid because, you know, too many fried onion rings. Anyway, that's what we've got. Thanks for watching. And y'all have a great day. We'll see you next time. Bye!